have here Rowena, Rian, Chris Jane, Agnes, and me, Celine. So we're here in Manginasal to do our mission that Majinim give us. Majinim kamsamida. Majinim kamsamida. Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So last Sunday during our Dunkin' Donuts mukbang, we have our remaining snacks. So we will eat this one today, and that snack is coming from
Yontaknim kamsamida.
Yontaknim kamsamida for our snacks and drinks. Okay, get one. Ang drinks, kay dili naman mo magtagsa, no? So, may tabo sa drinks, mag-share mo 1 bottle each students. Okay? Nagkasinabot?
Yes.
Okay, get your snacks. Okay, everyone. Ana? Once again? Okay, bye-bye! Okay, annyeonghaseyo. Good evening, Chito. So, kabaw na kalangan ng ipatawag tikaw, no? So, you already have 2 absences. So, first, so, i-reason ni matong first. Nasa gawas. Dito ka sa gawas. Nanganog. Nangabgab og kabilya. So, nangitag kwarta si Chito. Then, ikaduhang absent.
Tungkuan dyan. Namista mi.
Okay, namista. Ni Koyog kasi mong mama namista. Okay, so, absent ito. No? Kabawa naman mo kung sa ikuan. Na? So, okay ra? Nana, kabawa na ka? Nang kayo duha ka absent? Okay, so, ma-absent pa? Di na ma-absent ha? Okay. So, I hope nga di na gyud ka ma-absent. Kapila na ni ka kuan warning video? Kaduha. So, hinaut ko nga wala na ikatulo. Ha? Okay, so that's it. Kamsamida, Chito. Okay, bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, students.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, sit down. Okay, for this week, our story is about dealing with bullying. So, I will read the story, then I will translate it in Bisaya. Lucas faced bullying at school from a classmate who teased him daily. So, si Lucas kuno nag-atubang sa mga pagsuksog dito sa eskwelahan sa iyang mga classmates. So, everyday siya ginabully sa iyang classmate. Instead of keeping quiet, he confided in his teacher who addresses the issue. So, instead of magpakahilom ng si Lucas, iyang pinagtapat or iyang istorya sa iyang teacher nga, ma'am, kanang sige lagi ko bulihon, ma'am, ay anana. So, wala siya nagpakahilom, iyang gisumbong sa maestra. So, ang maestra, with support, Lucas learned to stand up for himself. So, with sa support sa teacher, si Lucas nakabalo siya naka-learn siya unsaon pag-stand up sa iyang kagalingon, and even made a new friend who had faced similar challenges. So, sa iyang pagsumbong sa maestra, si Lucas, nakakita siya mga friend hinuon nga similar niya o situation nga ginabully po sa school. So, if ever, together, this spread kindness, showing that courage can change the atmosphere. So, together kuno ilang gispread ang kindness. Nagpakita nga ang courage, ang pagpakahadlok, kung magmaisog datad, makausab siya sa atmosphere, sa environment. Like sa gibuhat ni Lucas, Wala siya nagpakahilom sa gibuhat sa iyang classmate nga sigsugsog niya sa school. Nakafound pa siya og bag-o nga amigo niya. Nakaspread sila kaayuhan dito sa ilang school. So if ever mahitabo ang buli-buli nyo sa school, dili mo mag-away. Dapat isumbong sa teacher kay ang teacher na unay mo decide ana. Tambagan mo sa teacher unsay buhaton. Dili kay magsumbagay mo dito kay sungog-sungog. Like for example, ani ni Jacob ug ni Kishni masigig lalis. So dapat dili mo maglalis, mamati mo sa storya. Jacob, nagkasabot? Taro nga ha. Dili mo maglalis-lalis. Dapat magkasinabot mo diri sa study room. Okay, let's answer for number 1. Astronomer. What is the definition of astronomer? Someone who studies stars and planets. For number 2, transparent. Definition of transparent: allows light to pass through. Next, for number 3, generous. Definition: willing to give or share. Next, aquatic. Definition of aquatic: okay, related to water. Next, abundant. Abundant is, okay, very good, existing in large amounts. Then for number 6, observe. That is to look at carefully. Next, for number 7, courage. That's the ability to face fear. Then next is habitat. Definition of habitat: okay, a living space for animals or plants. Next, erosion. That's wearing away of land. Next is bilingual. So bilingual is, the definition is, speaks two languages from the words bi, that means two. Next, abandon. That is to leave behind. Next is benevolent. Benevolent is kind and generous. Next, cautious. That is taking care or to avoid danger or mistake. Next, deteriorate. Deteriorate is to become worse or over time. Next is efficient. That is doing something in a way that saves time, energy, or resources.